Welcome. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss class 10 topic. We have chosen topic here, area of a triangle in case of coordinate geometry. So what we have given here? Here we have given there is a triangle. As you know, triangle contains three sides and three vertices. We are giving name as A, B and C. Let the vertex of the first corner A, it is given by x1, y1, and second vertex x2, y2 at B, and at C it is given by x3, y3. We have to find out area of triangle. So here formula is our area of triangle ABC. It is given by 1 by 2 in bracket x1 outside. Same, we are going to write down the pattern x2, x3, bracket close, inside y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1, and y1 minus y2. This is the learning pattern to this. As you know, area of triangle in our language, as you know, it is given by 1 by 2 base into height. So height we have to calculate. So to calculate this one, we have to use section formula. We are not going to this. We are giving you direct formula here. That is given by area of triangle ABC is given by 1 by 2 x1 with y2 minus y3 plus x2 with y3 minus y1 plus x3 with y1 minus y2. Another option we are also having here. It is given by 1 by 2. Use absolute column method. Write down first vertex, second vertex, third vertex, and first repeat. Firstly we go downside, then we go minus symbol with upside as we use in cross multiplication method. Downside as it is, upside negative. By this method we can also calculate area of triangle. So we have first example. Let vertices of a triangle are given. These are given by 2, 3, 6, 5 and 1, 0. Our question is find area of triangle. So we are going to use formula area of triangle. It is given by 1 by 2 outside, vertical columns. It is our choice. We can use any vertex first. 2, 3, 6, 5, 1, 0. First vertex repeat. So our method is to expand this. Firstly we go downside, product downside, then we go upside. This one. We are using different color. Now how to simplify here? It is given by 1 by 2 in bracket. Downside first pair become 2 with 5. So product become 10. It become 0. Next product become 3. Now upside. 2 with 0. It is 0. 1 with 5. It become 5. Next becomes 6 with 3. 6 3s are 18. If we simplify, we get it here. 1 by 2. Inside value if we simplify, 10 plus 0 10 plus 3 13. 13 minus 5 8. 8 minus 10 18 minus 10. If we simplify, answer comes out minus 5. As you know, area is always positive. So area answer become 5 square units. We have to give reason. Area is always positive. It cannot be negative. Otherwise we can use the word numerically. These two options we can indicate here. Why we take it as positive? Find the value of k if points K0, 6, 5, 2, 1 are collinear. Now what is the meaning of collinear here? Collinear word means all the points lie on a straight line. Means if we use diagram here, it is like this. First point say A, it is given by K0. Second point B is somewhere on the line E, 2, 1. As we see here, it is a straight line. It is a line here, no triangle. If there is no triangle, it means no coverage of area. It means in case of collinear points, area data should be 0. So, in case of collinear points, we have to use here area should be 0. Area method 1 by 2. Vertical columns. First vertex. Second 6, 5. Third 2, 1. First repeat. Answer of area should be 0. As you know, it is 1 by 2 of data. Half of any value 0 means value should be 0. It means this value should be 0. So we are taking here only value should be 0. Firstly, downside pair. These are the pair downside. Their product become 5K plus 6 plus 0 minus upside pair. If you see here, upside pair become first, second, third. So first pair value become minus K, minus 10, minus 0. Answer should be 0. Here it become, these are two like terms. Answer become 4K. These two are numbers. Their solution become minus 4. If we simplify, 4K become is equal to 4. So value of K comes out 1. Means for the value of K is equal to 1, the given points K0, 6, 5 and 2, 1 are collinear. Means they lie on a straight line. There is no triangle. It means area should be 0. As you know, when we expand area, this expansion gives us either positive or negative. Here the delta is given 0. 0 is a common point. It cannot be negative, cannot be positive. So here we choose here only positive value. Find value of K if area of triangle ABC with vertices 2, 3, minus 1, 2 and 0K have area as 32 centimeter square. Now value of area is given. We have to find out unknown K. Again using the concept of area. Area is given by 1 by 2. Vertical column, first vertex 2, 3. Second minus 1, 2. Third 0K. First repeat. Answer is given 32. First of all, shifting this 1 by 2 on the right hand side. As we shift, it become product of 32 with 2 of expansion of this vertical column. Vertical column contain 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 0K 2, 3. As you know, where we expand this column, answer may be positive or negative. So right side may be positive or negative, either 64 positive, otherwise minus 64. Now we have to expand with the same method. Firstly, downside product become 4 minus K plus 0 minus upside minus 2K minus 0 plus 3. These two are like term. If we solve out, we get here minus 3K plus 7. 64 positive, otherwise negative. Now we have to shift the data on the right hand side. So first of all, shifting of 7, we get here minus 3K is equal to 64 minus 7, otherwise minus 64 minus 7. So value of minus 3K we get here either 57, otherwise minus 71. Shifting of minus 3, we get minus 19. Otherwise, 71 by 3. Means the value of k in case of collinear point we get single one. But in case of when area is given, area may be positive after expansion, may be negative. That's why we choose two values and the answer are also 2. Means in this case हमारे k के आंसर्स कितने आएंगे? 2 आएंगे जब हमारे पास एरिया का कुछ डाटा गिवन है और एरिया हमें गिवन है 0 मीन्स कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स गिवन है तो हमारे पास k का आंसर कितना आएगा? सिंगल आएगा. सो लाइक दिस वी कैन फाइंड आउट एरिया ऑफ triangle by use of coordinate geometry. So like this we can simplify our topic area of triangle. Thank you.